Hello everyone, welcome to TUFS Online Class Support. I'm Miki, a master student at the Tokyo University of Foreign Studies. In this session, we would like to go over how to use Gakumu information system, logging in and checking the message. 3 points covered in this video are first, what is Gakumu information system, and the second, how to log in Gakumu, and the third, how to check the messages on Gakumu. First, what is Gakumu information system? Gakumu information system is a platform to support your education and student life online. For example, you can do the course registration and enter in a drawing for the class, exchanging messages with the instructors, and check your grade. Next, how to log into Gakumu information system. First, search for Tokyo University of Foreign Studies on Google. Then, click TUFS website, probably appears on the top. At TUFS website, click Current Student on the top line. On the Current Student page, scroll down and down, and you will find a link for the Gakumu information system. When you click this link, this login screen will appear. Type in your user ID and a password issued by the ICC. Once you are correctly logged in, you will come to this page, and now you are ready to use the Gakumu. Next, how to check messages on Gakumu. Links for the online classes are sent through Gakumu. Emails sent to @tufs.ac.jp address are basically messages sent to Gakumu that are automatically forwarded. The most secure way to check the messages from the university and the instructors is to check the messages directly on Gakumu. The links for the classes will be sent with the subject lines such as day, period, instructor's name, and class title. Even if you missed it, no one can help you, so make sure to check it yourself. So we are back to the Gakumu screen. To check the messages, click the message button. You will then see the messages you received like this. In my case, these top 3 messages are the links for the online classes. Click this top one, and then the message from the instructor appears at the bottom. Tuesday 4th period by Johnson Sensei's English C. As a side note, during the course registration period, you will be receiving so many links, ID and passwords. You may get mixed up with so many links. I highly recommend you to prepare a list by yourself to manage the links. For example, I'm using this chart prepared on Word file. Day, period, instructor, class title, URL, ID and a password are copy-pasted to this list. Please try it yourself. This is the end of this session. Thank you for joining us. Sayonara, Khodafez.